Good evening and welcome to Alcor. Welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium, the venue for this one. I'm Derek Ray and I'm joined here on the gantry for commentary by Stuart Robson. And both teams looking to get off to a flying start here on match day 1 for them at the 2022 FIFA World Cup. It's Argentina and they take on Saudi Arabia.
Well, I'm looking forward to this one, Derek. It's so important that you get off to a good start. So let's hope both sides go for the win here and we get an exciting match.
Di Maria. Marcos Acuna. Marcos Acuna. Surely! And a goal it is! No long wait for the opener today.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it, and it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
Well, back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Al-Shehri. Al-Malki. Now, let's see what they can do here. Not a clear foul, but the referee letting the play flow. Well, finally, the whistle had to be sounded. Well, the referee electing not to show him the yellow card, Stuart.
And I think it's the right decision. It is a foul, but it doesn't deserve a card.
And that was a very fine read. Salem Al-Dossari. Alert defending. Lionel Messi. And getting the ball forward. Can he finish? Salem Al-Dossari. Here's Al-Dossari. Well, half-time coming up shortly and the home side on top. Stuart, interested to get your critique.
Yes, they're defended really well all over the pitch. Their work rate and discipline has been excellent. But any drop in tempo and this lead could easily slip away.
Lo Celso. Di Maria. Marcos Acuna. Well, moving the ball impressively here. Patient build-up at the moment. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Nicely timed tackle. The first half here comes to an end. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Well, a good tackle. Yasser Al-Shahrani. Now, what can they do from here? Keeping the opposition at bay with that splendid challenge. Well, a wild swing at the ball in the end. That was what it amounted to. Lo Celso. De Paul. And in position. Oh, he's found the net. And that increases the advantage to 2. Just what they wanted and just what they deserve.
Well, just look at this again. He's so hard to knock off the ball once he gets going. Of course the defending could be better, but that's a great individual goal.
So underway once more, 2-0 the lead here. The attack continues, they're making considerable progress. Well, he really read that brilliantly. He just missed that little bit of attacking spark. Goalkeeper's ball. Nahuel Molina. Lionel Messi. Well, on the cusp of the final whistle, and the home side really prospering today. Stuart, interested to get your take.
Yeah, clearly the better side. Obviously being fantastic up front, but it's their work ethic for me. They're just not happy unless they have the ball, and they're fighting to win it back whenever they do lose it. It's been a really great performance all round.
Abdullah Al-Malki. Saleh Al-Shehri. Well, he's certainly not alone. Effective challenge. Al-Shehri. Salman Al-Faraj. Abdullah Al-Malki. Still trying to make something happen. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. And the final whistle is sounded. It is a victory on match day 1 for the home side. And Stuart, you can't really argue with that.
Yeah, it's so vital to get off to a quick start in these group stages. They'll be happy with the 3 points, but now they have to back it up in the next game. 6 points and you're halfway there.
Hello, great to have you with us. Welcome to the distinctive Al Bayt Stadium with its tent-like structure. I'm Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board alongside me is Stuart Robson, my commentary partner. And both teams with 1 game each under their belt already. Let's see how they fare this time around. It's Argentina versus Poland.
Well, thanks, Derek. These fans will be hoping for another good display today. They played really well in that opener. This should be an excellent game.
And the contest begins. Paredes. A very timely interception. Martinez. Molina. Romero. Zielinski. Żurkowski. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. Lionel Messi. Regained possession. Martinez. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Lewandowski. Krychowiak. Karol Świderski. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. Krychowiak. Not to be in terms of the finish. Paredes. Marcos Acuna. The ball with Martinez. Di Maria. Marcos Acuna, can he put them in front? And there it is, 1-0. Their efforts have been rewarded. And look at the celebrations.
Well, as you can see, he makes it look easy in the end, but I think that's a good finish. He'll be pleased with that.
Well, back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Di Maria. Martinez. Good technique displayed. Can he do it? Great work defensively, but still the chance. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Can he find the net? His time here comes to an end. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Zielinski, well, a good tackle. Chance to do damage. A fine reading of the situation. The save was a good one. And it's gone in. Just what the doctor ordered. Things looking very bright for them now with this buffer.
Well, let's take another look now, and it's a superb cross by Messi, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
And the ball is moving again. 2-0 is how it stands. Well, spot on with that challenge. De Paul. And into the last 30 minutes now. Messi has a go. Oh, excellent diving stop. No-nonsense clearance. Lewandowski. Lewandowski, but they dealt with the threat posed. Well, the outcome is a free kick here. Romero. Molina. Lionel Messi. And he saw the situation developing. Messi. Well, he's won the ball. Well, we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. Might really be able to trouble them here. And Messi! Flinging himself at it, the keeper. Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Just wanted to get it out of there. Well, going for power, and so close to finding the net. Well, wait, don't go anywhere. We're going to have 5 additional minutes. Świderski. Perfect tackle. Now, who can he play it to? Well, didn't go to plan in the end. And the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick given. Lewandowski. Magnificent challenge from Otamendi. Messi, and the final whistle. A victory for Argentina. Precisely what their fans were hoping for, Stuart.
Well, Derek, it was fairly comfortable in the end because they were tactically superior.